Welcome to my video, and the topic is barriers to business growth. So before I start this particular video, I would request you to like and subscribe this channel. My name is Dr. Praveen Srivastava. I'm a business coach, management consultant, and a corporate trainer. So coming back to barriers to business growth. Friends, many business owners aspire to grow their business, but only a very small percentage of actually achieve the growth what they aim. There are various reasons to this. Most of the time, MSME business owner, they become chief problem resolving officer. They enter to the office. The moment they reach to their cabin, people start coming to them and telling them one by one each and every problem. And poor business owner, it resolve problem from morning to evening. Now, why this happen? Because there are no system and process. See, if you are a smaller company, I understand you can micromanage if you have turnover of 5 lakhs, if you have turnover of 50 lakhs. But the moment you cross 3 to 4 crore turnover, you will have to create system and processes, because otherwise what happened, the entire company become person specific, and that is the reason people are coming to the business owner. The other thing is that you are doing the same thing as you always been done. Now, when your company was having turnover of 5 lakhs, 50 lakhs or a crore, it was okay. But when you achieved a turnover, you cross a turnover of 5 crore, you will have to change the way you are trying to manage the company. So it is very important that you need to have system and processes. And obviously, instead of managing the business, you should working on the business. Therefore, what you need to do, you spend more time, you means the business owner needs to spend more time on managing the business, especially poor customer service, scaling up too early. That is also very, very risky, because what happened, many business owners are fascinated with the top line, which is the revenue, and they do not basically track the profitability. So today they have a 10 crore turnover. After 1 year, they would like to go to 20 crore and then 40 crore and 50 crore, which is fine. I'm not denying it that the top line is good, but at what cost, at what profit? So it is also important that side by side, you should also basically try to track your bottom line, which is your profit. And if year by year there is a growth in your net profit margin, only then you can scale well. And if it is not there, then you need not to scale yourself. The first thing what you need to do is that you grow, you sustain yourself, then grow, then sustain yourself, like this. So step by step growth, if you will do it, definitely there won't be any barrier to your growth. The other thing is that there are 4 basically issues which businesses must cover. One is the finding your next customer. So always you need to work on finding new customer. And new customer, that does not mean you should only working with the existing customer. You can, that is what we call is growing organically, but you can also grow yourself inorganically just by adding more territory, more product line, more services, or maybe more customer in your portfolio. The other very important aspect is that increase continuously your profit. The third issue which you have to take care is the cash. Cash in has to be always more than cash out. In fact, I would advise a lot of business owner that even if you have to pay 2 to 3% cash, just because the moment your credit period goes up to 90 days, you are going to eat your own profitability by 3 to 5%. Correct. And then not only you are going to eat the profitability, the rotation of your money would be less, and that is going to affect your ROI and ROCE. The fourth important thing is that compliance. So make sure that your company, your factory, your organization has all the compliance like GST, other taxation, and all this statutory requirement you follow. If you continue to do that and you will try to de-risk this thing, your business will be absolutely smooth. So if you want more business videos, please subscribe my channel and go to my channel, because there are hundreds of topics are there on which I have made these videos. Please go through these videos, and in case you want me to make some more video for the topic which you feel that you may want a solution, please do let me know below the comment box. I will make the video and upload. Thank you very much.